intelligence in the age of technology. Rampant in our changing world, our understanding and expectations of the new world, no different to age far gone, when those that have experienced their existence unchanged. Oh my Lord, a fourth intelligence is here to stay. Oh,